Hi, I wanted to share with you a fix I found for my HP NV360 laptop's Wi-Fi problem. Just a little background. I bought this laptop in November mainly for tutoring over Zoom. I had a previous HP laptop, had no problems using the Wi-Fi from another room to Zoom, never any hiccups with it. My wife's laptop, never any problems. Other devices we have in the house, never any problems. But once I bought this laptop, connected to the internet fine, but it was constantly freezing my Zoom calls, or web pages would drop and then they would reload, things like that. So I knew I had a problem. So I went to, first step, I went to HP customer support. The first gentleman had me update the BIOS. He had me update all drivers, and he blamed it on my Wi-Fi signal. It did work when I was right next to the Wi-Fi signal, but if I was in one room over, even on the same level, it wouldn't work very well. So that didn't work. The second time I went on to customer support, so I tried it for a few days after we did this and thinking that it was fixed, and it didn't work, so I went on a second time. The second time they had me reinstall the operating system, still having the same problems. So let me show you what's happening with it. So let's open up a speed test. All right, so we're going to open this up in one window. Okay. I'm going to open up Device Manager, and this is where we're going to find our solution at. So we're going to go to Device Manager, and in Device Manager we're going to go to Network Adapters. We're going to go to Realtek 8852CE Wi-Fi, and we're going to go to Properties. And under Properties we're going to go to Advanced, and we're going to look at roaming aggressiveness. And I'm going to show you how slow it is when it's on the medium setting, which is, I believe, is the default setting. Okay, so let's switch that to medium. All right, and let's start the speed test. Okay, so you'll see here it kind of hangs at usually between 10 and 100. Sometimes it'll jump up higher, but I'm at 12.39 on the download speed. And then the upload. So we can see, obviously, we have an issue with this. Okay, 1.15 on the upload. Okay, let's refresh that. Let's go back to the drivers. Okay, so we're going to open this back up again. We're going to go to Advanced. We're going to go to Roaming Aggressiveness. We're going to switch from Medium to 2 Lowest. Okay, and we're going to start it again. And now we're fixed. I don't know why it's working. Maybe some hardware people out there can help me out with this, but this has totally solved my problem. I was about ready to try to get rid of this computer. I thought I had a bad Wi-Fi card. I was reading online, people are replacing the Realtek Wi-Fi cards with different ones, but that seemed to solve it for me. So I hope this helps. Can help somebody out there, because it was really frustrating for me. Thanks a lot. Bye.